Hey guys, it's Des for T-Mobile. Today, I want to introduce you to our newest affordable 5G smartphone, the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. Optimized for entertainment, the OnePlus Nord N200 5G has a smooth display and a long-lasting battery. And best of all, it's ready to rock T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Let's check it out. The N200 5G has a large 6.49-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, perfect for watching your favorite shows and videos. And with a long-lasting 5,000 milliamp hour battery and 18-watt fast charging, your entertainment can last all day. The N200 5G features a triple rear camera with a 13 megapixel main lens, and on the side, a fingerprint sensor built into the power button, and a 3.5mm headset jack. Best of all, it runs T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. The Nord N200 5G makes scrolling fast and smooth. It runs Oxygen OS based on Android 11 and has a Snapdragon processor. It has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of onboard storage. Now in the box, you've got the new OnePlus Nord N200 5G, documentation, SIM card, USB-C charging cable, and the 18-watt fast charger. There you have it, the new OnePlus Nord N200 5G, an affordable 5G smartphone built for entertainment, rockin' T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network. Check it out at your favorite T-Mobile store or online at T-Mobile.com. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for another great video coming up next.